In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC error message that says your input can't be opened. This is one of the most common VLC issues, and it usually happens when VLC can't access a file, a stream, or a network URL properly. The good news is that in most cases, this error can be fixed in just a few minutes using the right settings. I'll walk you step by step through all the proven fixes, starting from the simplest ones to the more advanced solutions, so make sure you watch until the end. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, the very first thing you should check is the file or URL path you're trying to open. If you're opening a local video file, make sure the file actually exists in that folder and hasn't been moved, renamed, or deleted. If you're opening a network stream or online link, double-check the URL for any typos. Even a small missing character can cause VLC to throw the input can't be opened error. Try copying the link again and pasting it directly into VLC to be sure. Next, we're going to check a hidden setting inside VLC that often causes this issue. Open VLC, click on Tools at the top, then go to Preferences. Make sure you're on Simple Settings. Now click on Input or Codecs. Scroll down until you see an option called Record Directory or File Name. If there is any text inside this field, clear it completely so it's empty. This setting can sometimes block VLC from opening new inputs. Once you've cleared it, click Save and restart VLC. The third fix is to make sure VLC is allowed through your firewall. On Windows, open Windows Security, then go to Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Allow an app through Firewall. Scroll through the list and find VLC Media Player. Make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. If VLC isn't listed, click Allow another app and add it manually. Firewalls often block network streams, which triggers this error. Next, let's disable hardware acceleration, which is another common cause. Open VLC again, go to Tools, then Preferences, and click on Input or Codecs. At the top, find Hardware Accelerated Decoding and set it to Disable. This can fix compatibility issues with certain video files and streams. Click Save and restart VLC once more. If the error still appears, the next step is to reset VLC preferences entirely. Open VLC, go to Tools, then Preferences, and at the bottom, click Reset Preferences. Confirm the reset and then restart VLC. This will restore VLC to its default settings and remove any corrupted configuration that might be causing the problem. Finally, make sure you're running the latest version of VLC. Older versions often break streaming and network input support. Go to the official VLC website, download the latest version, and install it. After updating, try opening your file or stream again. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the VLC error your input can't be opened in almost every situation. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.